Hello Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia and this is TransurfingTV, the only official YouTube channel for reality transurfing that is endorsed by the author and creator of reality transurfing, Vadim Zeland himself. So today, this video is really for the people just stumbling on to this YouTube channel, TransurfingTV, or for those of you that may have just seen this term and are trying to make sense of what reality transurfing is. I know that when I first found the words reality transurfing, every cell in my body ignited and I had a feeling of heart and mind coordination, which I'm sure those of you that are new do not know what that means. But if you continue into this modality, learning this modality, you will learn that this is a very, very good thing when you feel this. And this is what happened to me when I found the words reality transurfing. It's kind of crazy. It's like I had a premonition or something. So I am going to try to the best of my ability to break it down for those of you that are just finding this information, because I wish I would have had that when I found the words reality transurfing. There wasn't too much structure yet on this modality, and that's why I have created this, because I want people to gain access to this knowledge and then also have help in developing this knowledge internally and integrating this into practical living. And this is my life's work for the moment. So I'm going to try to break it down for you in the easiest way to understand without using a lot of transurfing terminology, because it is a little bit of a vocabulary heavy modality, meaning that we kind of have our own vocabulary and it's super fun. So don't be intimidated by it. Once you start to see some of these things pop up, you will learn them rather quickly if you feel so inclined. So first off, what is reality transurfing? Well, reality transurfing is a psychological technology that helps you make sense of your reality and your relationship to it. What I like to say is, remember that movie, The Wizard of Oz, when they were venturing to the Emerald City and then they found the wizard and he was behind the curtain doing all this stuff. So I kind of like to look at transurfing as the ability to peer behind that curtain and see the mechanics of our reality. And in understanding some of these universal laws and metaphysics and mechanics, it kind of lifts this air of mystery off of life in a good way that helps you to feel more in control as as a participant, right? You have a little more say in how you sort of mold reality. So it has been described as a mysticism-based cognitive behavioral therapy. For those of you that are familiar with CBT therapy, it has a lot to do with restructuring your thoughts so you will really just be optimized as a human being. It's a set of concepts and techniques that show the nature of reality, how it works, and how to bend it to your liking using less energy than you normally would living with your regular worldview. So this is the cool thing about transurfing. You get to have a better reality and you try less. It's like a win-win, a 1-2 punch, however you want to look at it. Things become easier and at the same time they become better. So again, this modality was created by Vadim Zeland. He has a book right now, Reality Transurfing Steps 1 through 5. I will just warn you a little bit, the book is intimidating, but it is Vadim Zeland really reiterating himself over and over and over, because what he's attempting to do is sort of reprogram your thinking. So it's not all just like super unique knowledge. Really, the unique knowledge only is about 1/5 of the book, and then he just spends the rest of the time talking about these core concepts in different ways so you can start the integration process. So how does it work? Well, first you must learn the concepts. So again, It's a little bit vocabulary heavy. We have our own terminology. You'd have to learn what all these sayings mean. But again, listening to my videos, reading the book, participating in ITI, all of this stuff will help you immerse. And that's really the point that I like to stress. Immersion, it's just like learning a language, right? You're attempting to reprogram your brain. So you wouldn't want to just read the book and then move on. You'll just lose it. It's really getting into adopting a new way of thinking, your thought patterns change and you start to view reality through a new lens. So immersing yourself just as you would when you go to another country and want to learn the language quickly, it's the same thing. So immersing yourself really is key. So you have to make the effort to really decide that this is going to be a new version of reality for you and start implementing all of these concepts and techniques. And as you start to do this, you will see your reality shift dramatically. And this is why I'm really doing what I'm doing today, is because when I found transurfing, I was in a pretty rough spot and I started to see dramatic results almost instantly in my life. Just feeling better alone, let alone, my life started to improve outwardly, success and all that stuff. I was successful before transurfing, but I suffered a lot, and I found a much easier way to be successful with zero suffering. Well, I don't want to say zero, but pretty close to it. I'm a pretty happy person now. So this is like reprogramming your brain to believe in the higher or highest version of yourself. And with this new program, your life and mindset drastically improves. So again, it's sort of a whole system that you integrate, and you start living and seeing things in a different way and responding to your reality in a different way and interacting with people and events and everything. Just everything starts to shift. And when I say everything, it is everything. People have really said that this changed every single aspect of how they view reality and their relationship to it. So how do I feel it will help you? So this is my opinion. I feel like a lot of times we get maxed out on the potential that we have, right? We are living with a belief structure and our set of beliefs and our thoughts about ourselves and our reality and our potential, and we kind of become maxed out in this place. And reality transurfing helps to sort of expand beyond some of these restraining things that we have adopted or have layered themselves on top of us, programming that we've adhered to, or belief structures created by others that we've adhered to. So it kind of just blows apart your current belief structure and helps you to create a really, really amazing new belief structure. And obviously your environment starts to look a lot different and you're just happier. So you start feeling happier, your environment starts to look better, and then it's just like this cyclical thing that just starts happening and things just exponentially get better. So this new model in which you see reality will not only get you excited again for life, but will help to create new opportunities. It will help build self-esteem, beyond what you currently have. You'll start feeling better about your trajectory. You'll start feeling better about your role in life. I mean, I connected with my higher self and my higher purpose via reality transurfing. So obviously, like, I'm the poster child for reality transurfing. I can't speak highly enough about the reality that reality transurfing has connected me with. It has been amazing. So reality transurfing will help you to clean up your thinking. It'll help you to clean up your environment energetically, and it'll help you tap into a maximum potential or an optimal version of yourself. But I hope that I have done a good job at least getting the essence of reality transurfing to those of you that may be curious exactly what this modality is or what it consists of. So please, if you are inclined to learn more, follow this channel, join our Facebook group, the International Transurfing Institute Facebook group. We have lots of people from beginners to advanced transurfers in there that take this knowledge pretty deep. And of course, buy the book. The best way to get this knowledge is to read the book and reach out to other transurfers. Ask them what their experiences have been. There are lots of people on the Facebook group that have seen amazing results, life-altering, otherworldly results via this knowledge, and they are more than happy to share their experience with you. So please comment below, like this video, and ask questions below, and I will do my best to answer. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks, guys. Bye.